welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable back or recover the button sleep. So as you might have been finding, whenever you click on the start menu and you go to the power button, you don't find the sleep option. To fix that, it's really easy. You need to go to the search tab, you type control panel and you open the control panel. You might not have view by category, you might have small icon or large icon, so just make sure to change it to category. Once done, click on System and Security, Power Options, and on the left side you will click Choose what the power button do, and here change settings that are not available, and you can select the sleep button. Once done, click Save Changes, close the control panel, go to your start menu, click on power option and check. Normally you should get the sleep button back. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance with this matter, you can always just leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us by clicking like and also sharing with your friends. And the most important, do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.